Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple beaded dragonfly. And we'll be making an orange one today. So what you'll need is 14 inches or 35 centimeters of 28 gauge wire, and I'm using this black copper wire. I got it on firemountaingems.com. You will also need scissors to cut your wire and trim your wire. And you'll also need a ruler to measure your wire. And for your beads, for the main body of the butterfly, you will need 16 beads, and I'm using orange. For the eyes, we're gonna use 2 black beads. And I'm going to be using 2 colors for the wings. I'm going to be using clear and this really navy dark blue. And I'm using 30 of each, so 30 clear beads and 30 navy beads. And that is, oh, you also need, of course, something to hold your beads in, a container, a bead container. And I think that is all we are going to need. All right, so first you're gonna take your 14 inches or 35 centimeters of 28 gauge wire and meet the ends of it and just pinch the ends off, and then find the center and then just make a slight crease at the center, just like that. And then you are going to take an eye bead and slip it, so 1 black bead in my case, and slip it on your wire, just whatever end you want. So just like that, it'll look like that. And now you're gonna do a body bead, which I'm using orange. It's like lava like orange. And slip it on, oh wait, I'm gonna do a smaller one. And slip it on your wire. Way down. It should look like that now. And now get your last eye bead and put it on your wire. So it should look like that. There you go. So it should look like that. And now you're going to try and like keep your beads in that little dip. You can do that with your thumb, just like kind of hold them like that. And now you're going to take one of your pieces of wire and then loop it around and then through beads. So through 1, 2, and last one. So 1, 2, and 3. So it should look like that. And then make sure you can just pinch it with your fingers so it doesn't, or it stays in the middle of it, and then you just pull tight and it should look like this. You can pinch it and then strip your wires back. Sorry about the noise in the background. There's a load of laundry going, so anyways, for the next row we are going to use 2 of our orange beads, our body beads. So 1 and 2. Bring it down, and then whatever wire does not have your beads on it, you're gonna loop around and stick it through 2 of your beads, or those just the 2 beads on your wire, like that. And then you're gonna pull tight, just like that. And now we're going to do another row of 2 body beads. So 1 and 2. There we go. Now bring them all the way down and do the same thing. Whatever bead or whatever wire does not have beads on it, you're going to loop around and then take the edge of it and then stick it through these beads like that. All right, now we are going to do one wing. So we're going to alternate between the clear and the dark blue, the navy blue. And we're going to do that for 15 beads. So first I'm going to take one clear bead, put it on, that's one, and then a dark blue bead, 2, clear bead, 3, dark blue bead, 4, clear bead, 5, dark blue bead, 6, clear bead, 7, and then just keep alternating them until you get 15 on your wire. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, almost there, 14, and one more, 15. And now you're going to stick or loop this wire around and then stick it through the bead, this bead right here, the bead closest to the body. So you might just want to like separate all the beads except that one bead out, and then loop it around and stick it through that, the bead. So it looks like that. And then try and make sure it's close to your dragonfly's body so it doesn't tighten too far away from it. Maybe that would be annoying. So once you tighten it, it should look like this, and there's one wing for your dragonfly. Now we are going to do the same process on this wire. So start with a clear bead. So 1, and then our dark blue bead, 2, clear bead, 3, dark blue bead, 4, and keep alternating, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, now do the same thing where you kind of separate all of them out except that one, and then loop your wire around and stick it through that one. Here, I can zoom in. Loop your wire around and then stick it through just that one. And then you're gonna pull tight. You might need to adjust it a little bit, but that's okay. And there you go. So there is the beginning of your little dragonfly. And now we are actually going to do the 2 back wings right away. So it's the exact same thing that we did for these 2, just again. So I'll do one and then I can probably skip ahead in the video. So 30 beads, or no, sorry, 15 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and finally 15. So it should look like this. And now separate one bead out, loop your wire around, and stick it through that one bead. And then pull tight. Make sure it is close to the other wing. So it should look like that. And now I'm going to just skip ahead in the video so you don't have to watch it again, but you can just always go back in the video if you are having trouble. So I'll just speed up the video. Okay, so I guess I either counted my beads wrong, or you actually need more of the clear beads. Anyways, I'm just gonna get more clear beads, so I'm just letting you know. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to loop it around and through the last bead. And now the rest of it is easy. We can just finish up the body. So next we're gonna do one row of 2 orange beads or body beads. So just 1, 2 onto your wire, bring it all the way down, and then bring your opposite wire through those beads. And then pull tight. Now I do another row of 2. And another row of 2. And another row of 2. And then there's one more row of 2. Alright, and now you only have one orange bead left, so just put one body bead. Just put one body bead on your wire and pull tight. Now we're going to tie it off. So take one of your wires and loop it around, and then stick it through your last bead like that, and then pull tight, and do that the same with the other one. Put it through that final bead. And pull tight. And now you're going to pinch it and then twist the wires. Just like that. And now you're going to take your scissors and snip off the excess. Now we can put these containers away. And you can adjust your dragonfly however much you want. I'm gonna put mine like that. And then you're done. I guess you can bend this little bit down. So yeah, there's your dragonfly, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was pretty easy and made sense, and sorry for the noise in the background. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you like this. I post new beading tutorials every 8th of the month, but because next month is December, I might post a few in 1 month just because it's like Christmas and stuff. I'm thinking about doing like a snowman and like a stocking and a present. I don't know, maybe a snowflake too if I can, you know, figure it out. But I might do the snowflake in like January though, because January is still winter. Anyways, bye.